Hey, how's everybody doing? Jacob here with Cultivate Supply and cultivatesupply.com. Today we're gonna go over one of our new kits, the Trellis kit. This kit comes with all of the PVC pieces, like I have in my hand here, that you will need to build a trellis kit at home or in your commercial facility. It does not, however, come with the PVC. The PVC will change based off of how long your system is and also how tall you want to make it. With each one of these systems, you can make up to 4 by 8 worth of length. So if you need to do longer, just buy multiple of the kits. I have Isaac here to help me. We're just gonna show you real quick how it's intended to go together. So this kit comes with 4 of these corner pieces here that are gonna allow you to go around the corner and also go up and down. It does not include any of the PVC that I have in my right hand here, and it does include 2 extra T's that we'll get to here in a second. So let's start putting it together. Real simply, you're gonna have this piece. I have a leg in my hand. We're gonna pop it together like this. Isaac, if you don't mind getting on that side. This piece right here is gonna be our long piece that's gonna go lengthways on the tray. It's gonna pop perfectly in just like that. This piece is gonna go down to the ground, perfect. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna connect our side piece. So this is gonna be as long as or as wide as your tray, 4 feet in this instance. We'll go just like that. We'll come over here. We're gonna grab our other feet pieces, pop them on just like that. And then right here for our last length piece. And then we have 2 more feet right here to support it in the middle. Now once you have the base all built like this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 4 more pieces, generally about the same length as the legs, but you can kind of do it to however tall your plants are gonna be. We're gonna pop them in the top here. And now while some people may glue these parts, I don't recommend it because usually you're gonna take it apart and it's easier to take it apart if it's not glued. So now that we have our pieces on top, we're gonna use the Botanicare 4 by 8 trellis. You can use any trellis you like. We're using this one because it's already pre-cut into a 4 by 8 for us. So with a friend, take it. Sometimes it's a little wonky to get it all. There we go. Make sure you find your corners. And then set it right on top. And now oftentimes people will go down this far and do 1 level this way, and then you can put another level on later. But with this kit, you have the versatility to make it however you want in terms of height, in terms of length, and in terms of width. All you gotta do is buy the kit with the 4 corners and the 2 stabilizing pieces, and then the rest you can put together yourself. I'm Jacob with Cultivate Supply and cultivatesupply.com. Hopefully you found this video useful. All of these parts are available on our website to purchase right now. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. We'll see you next time.